like. Alright guys, welcome back to another Lady Savage video. If you've followed us for very long, you'll probably know that I am a fan of not taking any type of birth control and that we use a device called the Daysy. Now, I wanted to talk to you guys about this because I was a big fan of them before and I am an even bigger fan now. And to get this out of the way first, I am not affiliated with this company by any means. I've just used them. I really like them. And they just impress me more and more with the more time that goes on. So I've been using this, I think in like January or so, it'll be 2 years, which is kind of crazy to think about. I think it's been 2 years. I can't quite remember, but about this thing. And what this does is rather than taking like different kinds of form of birth control, which have done my hormones some damage and things like that, I chose not to do that anymore and to just be really good to my body and to not put like exogenous forms of hormones inside of it. So rather, I want to do it a natural way, which is like the basal thermometer kind of way of doing things, which for some people is not accurate enough for their liking, but if your cycle is very regular, if you have your period very regular, if you can kind of tell when you're ovulating, this thing will be really, really good. It helps you take your temperature every single morning, and it tells you when you're fertile, when you're not fertile, when you're gonna have your period. It'll allow you to put in different things in the app. So I'm gonna show you guys what happened because Robert and I travel so much. We traveled and I broke this. It was in my like morning bag and it broke, but the little wire part is still connected, but the other part is not, and it does still work. It's been doing really great. However, I just decided to email the company and say, hey, I'm about to buy a new one. I just want to know if my information will transfer. So my information, you take it every morning. There's a cord that connects to it, and then you put it in this app called the Daysy app, and it's gonna load right quick. Maybe, hopefully you guys can actually see it. But like, I'm just gonna show you like one of my months, which is kind of awkward, but so the green days, if you guys can see that, I really hope okay, so like the green days are the days that you're not fertile, the red days are the days that you are fertile, and the days that are yellow are just like the in-between days. So this really helps you to decide to, track when you guys had sex, when your period was, what your symptoms were. You can add in different things like how your cervical fluid is, all of that kind of stuff, and you can even type in little notes. It's super, super helpful for the ladies in your life, and your guy can actually also have access to this as well, so he can also see if you're fertile or not fertile, whether you're trying or not trying, and if you need to use some extra form of protection. So I emailed these guys because I was like, I really want my data to transfer, otherwise it takes 3 months to get to know your body again, and that's just really annoying, and you won't know anything for 3 months, so we don't want to go through that. So I asked if my information can transfer, and their customer service is freaking amazing. So they hooked me up, and they said that because I had the 1.0 and now they have the 2.0, they're only offering the 2.0. So I got an upgraded version, and they said that with the data transfer, but since I already have one, I got like 15% off. So here she is. So I'm gonna take this old one, I'm gonna stop using this because I'm afraid it's gonna stop working here in the near future, and that would not be a good thing. And I've got this new one, so I'm gonna open this and kind of show you guys what it looks like from start to connection, I guess. And so they have a little note that says the cost. Now, these are pretty pricey, but you only have to buy it one time if you don't break it. There is a cover. My cover slipped off, and that was a big no-no. But it is about $300, and that's a really big thing, but it's either $300 or a baby, and I'm not gonna go with the baby right now. So $300, you don't have to buy it again. You have the app on your phone for free. There are some other ones that you only pay a lower price, like $15 for the thermometer, but then you have to pay like a monthly subscription fee. This one, you pay for the device, that's it. Their customer service is amazing. If you have any questions, they're like on it. They've emailed me several times a day. They're always super kind. So anyways, that's that. Now, this is what it looks like when you get it. Hopefully you guys can see all of this. So it just comes in this like nice little clean white box, and it just flips open, and there it is. It just looks like super clean. They do a really great job with their packaging. And it has like a little quick guide. They sent me an email of how to connect and do all of the data in there. But you guys will be able to kind of see. This is the device, and then it has this little cap that you just pull off, and then there's a thermometer that actually you put under your tongue. And then you put this back on when you're done with it, and you just place it away. But you put a little battery in there, it'll pop up on your device, it'll light up, you see on this one, it'll light up red if you're fertile or possibly fertile, green if you are infertile, yellow if it's learning you for the first like 3 months, usually it's learning you, or it's like right before or right after your ovulation. And then if it's red, green, and yellow, it's possible that you're pregnant. And then if it's red and blinking, then you're ovulating. So it's really great. When you take your temperature in the morning, you immediately know whether you're fertile, not fertile, possibly pregnant if you're trying, and all of that, all the things that go along with that. You can kind of figure out when you're traveling, if you're gonna be on your period, if you're gonna be this, if you're gonna be that. And it really, really has been so accurate for me. So anyways, I wanted to just share this with you guys because they've been so good to me. I've loved it since the beginning. It's been really great. It's been super accurate. I have not had any issues whatsoever. And I've really grown to love this company as a whole. I almost went with another one that's called Natural Cycles, but I'm really glad that I didn't, and I'm really glad that I stayed with these guys because they've been nothing but good to me, and I really trust it. Like the other ones, it's like a regular thermometer. This one is like a thermometer that tracks and keeps your data. If you don't have access to like plugging it into your phone for a couple of days, it will keep track of that, and then you can plug it into your phone whenever you do get back to your phone. It comes with this little pamphlet right here, instructions, a bunch of different languages, and just general information, any questions that you would have, how to clean it, things like that. The battery, this is the connection cord that will connect into your phone and into your app. It's super, super simple to use, and if you have the opportunity or the ease of being able to purchase one of these, if you aren't looking for a birth control that is hormone related, I've had so many different ones. I've been on the pill, I've done the IUD, I did the Nuva ring, I did a whole bunch of different things, and over like, it was either 10 or 11 years of having birth control, I really, really wish I would have known more. I really wish I would have done my homework more. And a lot of that, I started doing birth control or taking birth control because I was having horrible like symptoms and pain and things like that. So my doctor put me on birth control. And I wish I would have learned to advocate for myself back then, but I was so young and so naive and just didn't really know how to stand up for myself. So over the years, I've learned what all of those hormones did to my body. I've done a lot of reversing the damage that has done in the last couple of years, and now I will never go back to a hormone-based birth control. I am not saying that they are bad for everyone, and I'm not saying that people shouldn't take them. They might be right for you if you have something else going on, if you choose to have sex and you don't want to go about it another way, then that is totally fine. I'm not judging anyone who does take other forms of birth control, but I want to provide you guys with information on another option that has been really amazing for me and for Robert. There's no ups and downs of birth control pills and your mood swings and am I having a period, am I not having a period? If I'm not having a period, is it a good thing or a bad thing? Your body just does its natural thing. You ovulate when you're supposed to ovulate. You have a period when you're supposed to have a period. Your hormones can do its natural thing. I just feel so much healthier now, and I'm really excited to get this hooked up and back in running order. But I really wanted to just share this with you guys because it truly has been an amazing thing for me and for my relationship with Robert. So anyways, if you guys are interested in it, I will put the link to Daysy on there. Again, I have no affiliation with this company. I just have really enjoyed it and really wanted to just share with you guys another option that you can use and you don't have to feel guilty about it, and it's super simple. Just take it every single day. It can travel with you, all the things. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to ask me. I am like an open book, so don't feel like there's a too awkward of a question to ask. Very simple, very easy, and I love you guys. I will talk to you later.